How to add reminders widget to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, from the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on Wallpaper and Style. From here, tap on the lock screen panel, which is on the left hand side. Then tap on the widget panel here. Now I'm going to delete the existing widget. Then we scroll down and tap on Reminder. From here you can add a small reminder or a large reminders widget. So here I will select the small one and the big one as well. Then tap on the widget itself. In here you can choose the category. So select a reminder category. You can show all the reminders, or today, or schedule only, or only the important one. So here I will select today reminder, and I will turn on pin important to top and show completed reminders as well. And tap on saved and tap on done. Now go to your lock screen and you can view your reminders directly from the lock screen. And that is a quick way to be able to view what you need to do today directly from your lock screen. Thank you for watching this video.